Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, coming to you from Borla Commerce Park.
This is Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, and this is a Honda Talon. It is one of the coolest looking UTVs out there, and I got to tell you, it's made even better looking thanks to the folks at JEI Offroad. Ian, you're the creator of some of the accessories on this vehicle. What do you guys do at JEI?
Primarily we focus on bumpers, tree kickers, spare tire mounts, stuff like that, bed extenders, basically anything to help protect the machine.
A lot of the essentials, because I know
right.
when you buy one of these stock, people don't really take it into account, you know, you're going to be running over trees and rocks and things. So how important is something like a tree kicker?
If you want to save your doors, I would say they're pretty important.
Sounds pretty important to me.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of times on trails you get in tight spots. You can't hang your head out, look out, make sure you're not hitting your door. Tree kickers are a good way to protect the side of the machine. And
bumpers are a great way to protect the front and the rear. Again, how important is something like a reinforced bumper compared to what comes stock?
Some of them don't even come with one stock. The ones that do typically are out of a very thin material to be lightweight. We build ours, I would say, at least double the wall thickness, all DOM tubing. Yeah, considerably more protection with our products versus OEM product.
And let's talk about the way you've built them now. What the material is the same all the way across with what you use, the tubing?
Primarily, yes. DOM tubing is our main tubing that we use.
And where is it all designed, and what's that process
Everything
like?
is designed in-house and built, powder-coated, start to finish, in-house there in Southern Indiana.
The materials you're getting, everything is bought in the United States as well?
That's correct.
What was the genesis for all these creations? How did you come up with the ideas for these?
Using the machine, you know, and just seeing that there's a need for better products out there. The bed extender in particular was something that we noticed on the Pioneer 5-seater. The seats pop out of the bed and you lose all your bed space. So we made a bed extender that actually extends past the tailgate. Their OEM makes one that stops on the tailgate. Ours extends about 7.5, 8 inches further, so you can carry a larger cooler or tool bag or dry box, whatever you need.
And looking at that Pioneer, that makes all the difference in the world. That really.
Oh, it does. It does. That's correct.
And how much are you able to carry when you put the seats down? That really makes it a real utility vehicle.
When you put the seats down, you can carry just about anything you want. Refrigerator, maybe?
Nice. Sounds like a good time to me.
That's right. That's right.
Excellent. And it's something that really jumps out on this Talon, the spare tire rack that you have back there. Tell me about that spare tire carrier.
I guess one of the cooler things about it is it's got gas struts on it and quick release pins. So you pull the pins out, the struts actually lift the tire carrier up and out of the way so you can access your cooler, storage box, whatever. It's also got some Rotopax fuel cans that bolt up to the bottom, so you can carry extra fuel if you need to.
Extremely useful and can help you out if you're in big trouble. You're going to need that spare tire sometime too, so that's very right. Handy to have there. I noticed you thought of everything. I was looking at the Heim joints and I noticed one was shorter than the other. What's that about?
Right, so the reason behind that is, you know, we'll go to the passenger side of the machine, for example, and have it set. We'll go to the other side and we'll actually shorten that one. So we have one of them pushing and one of them pulling to basically prevent any rattling.
Gotcha.
You know, if these machines are being used the way they're intended, there's a lot of bouncing around and a lot of rattling, so we don't want to add to that.
There's a lot of rattling to begin with a lot of the doors in it.
That's right, that's right.
And then you also have pins all the way around to make that a quick release in case you need to put something bigger in the back there? Is that?
That's correct, or if you just need to get into the bed. You know, there are 3/8 quick release pins. You know, you can pull short of taking the tire off, you know, you can pull the whole rack out in about 35 seconds.
And if I want to bolt that permanently, that's something I can do?
That's correct, yeah, you can just replace it with some 3/8 bolts.
I know a lot of accessories can be difficult to install, but I looked at your website and your stuff's not that way at all. It's super simple. Pretty
simple to install. Polaris and all the other machines typically have good solid mounting points. We just go off factory holes. So yeah, there's very little modification required. In fact, everything featured on this machine today, the only thing that needs modification at all is the lower valance for these kickers. Just to gain access to the frame, you just need to make a small notch out, slides right on.
Piece of cake.
That's right. All the parts that you purchase from us come with all the hardware is included, whether zinc coated or stainless steel hardware, and as well as installation instructions.
Great. And Honda is your featured vehicle. What else do you offer at JEI?
We offer a variety of parts through all the makes and models, from Polaris, Kawasaki. We've dabbled into several different ones. So if you go to the website, check it out, don't see something, hit us up, and we'll keep you posted as far as progress.
Well, if you want to protect your side-by-side and make it look great, check them out at JEIOffroad.com. There is a special promo code for Motorhead Garage viewers. It's MH Garage. So go to their website and type in MH Garage for a special deal. We shall return here on Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings.